Hi guys, this is Sassy Shiv Says. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this video is going to be full on glittery smoky eye for the New Year's Eve party. And this is a special request bonus video that I'm doing for the week because I got so many requests from so many of you to do a New Year's Eve party look. So I've just quickly put together a very last minute party look using only 3 shades. So if you want to know how to get this look, then keep on watching. So to start with, I'm going to use NYX Cosmetics Honeydew Me Up Primer, and it suits so many different skin types. Next up is a medium mattifying foundation by the Body Shop called Matte Clay Skin Clarifying Foundation, and I like this to wear it for my party looks or makeup looks where I'm going to be wearing my base or foundation for a longer duration, as this stays put. I'm going to then reach out to Nykaa's Skin Genius Conceal and Correct palette in the shade Light 01, and I absolutely adore this palette because this has so many different shades of correcting and concealing your under eyes or discolorations on your face. So I first reached out to the yellow shade as it takes care of the brown patchiness on my dark circles, and then I reached out to the conceal shade, which is in the top right side, and it does magic for my skin. Next up, I'm going to use Makeup Revolution's Bake and Finish Luxury Baking Powder, and I'm going to use it to set my under eyes and also areas where I've used concealer. Kryolan's Makeup Translucent Powder is my ideal go-to setting powder, and I like to set the rest of my face with this, and it also adds a slight warm glow to my face. Don't forget to moisturize and use a lip balm on your lips so that your lips stay nourished and moisturized while you finish the rest of the makeup. I'm going to then reach out to Nykaa Beauty's Get Cheeky Blush Duo. This is in the shade Brazilian Bombshell 01, and this is my ideal go-to favorite palette. The reason being, I like to use the color on the right as my contour, and then I top it up with the pink blush on the left. You can use either these colors as is for blush, or sometimes mix it up like I do and create your own little fun contour as well. I'm then reaching out to another favorite palette that I've created on my own from Inglot's Flexi Eco palette, and this color is a very fresh peachy shade, which actually is a blush, but I'm going to take that shade and cover my entire eyelids. Next up, I'm going to reach out to this matte shade, again a peachy shade called Apricot Flower from Sigma Beauty's Wildflower palette, and this shade I'm going to use to darken the inner corners and also drag the color across my eyelids so that it becomes a beautiful transition shade. Next up, I'm going to reach out to PAC Cosmetics Shimmer Eyeshadow Palette number 01. It consists of 7 beautiful shimmery shades along with one matte black shade, and we're going to take this black matte shade and pack it in the corner of our eyes. Remember, you can build this color up to any intensity that you desire or tone it down as per your wish. I'm going to next take the brightest gold color in the top left corner and slightly wet it with my setting spray. Remember, you don't have to rub the brush across your eye. Gently pat the color onto your eyelids so that there is no fallout. Next up, I'm going to reach out to PAC Cosmetics Diamond Powder in the shade 03 Crystal. This is one of my favorite loose shimmer powders and I love how it stays put. Take the shimmer powder with your brush, make sure to use the setting spray again and then pack the color on your lid. I use this trick since I saw the difference in my eye makeup, especially while using shimmers or loose shimmer powders. The makeup actually stays put longer. I'm going to now reach out to this brown shimmery matte shade from Inglott's Flexi Eco palette, and along with that I'm using this brush by PAC Cosmetics in the number 260. This is an ideal cute little blending brush to have by your side when it comes to blending out your outer corners or smoking out your lower lash lines. With the same shade and brush, I'm just going to swoosh it all across my eye so that the makeup looks blended and all held together. For my waterline, I'm going to use this eye pencil by Nykaa Beauty called Glamorize in the shade Bronze Beam 08. I'm again dipping into Peaceful Highlight from Sigma Beauty's Wildflower collection, and it is an awesome color to be used on your cheeks, on your brow bone, on the bridge of your nose. If you don't want too much of highlight on your cheeks, you can actually use a small tapered eye brush. Next, I'm using my Maxi Volume Mascara by Mustave. I bought this in the States and I swear by it, I've stuck by it even now. I'm using my Maybelline Duo Brow Brush. It has a smudger and also a perfect graphite shade that suits my skin tone. Pillofied by Nykaa Beauty's Lipstone Fly Lip Pencils range has to be my personal favorite. It goes with almost any lip shade and I just love this one. Since we kept our eye makeup black and gold, I tried to jazz things up by adding a really deep pink shade on my lips. With makeup, always remember there are no rights and wrongs. You play with makeup till you get the desired look that you actually love. And voila, we have the final party look for the New Year's Eve. This is the special bonus video that I made for you guys. And also, I plan on spending the New Year's Eve with my family. It's going to be all about getting together and spending some quality time for me personally. I always like to start my year on this happy, loving note. I hope you guys also like the look. I just used 3 shades to create this fun quirky look, and I also like to keep it hassle free so that we don't spend too much time during the New Year's Eve, especially when we're running short of time on makeup. And that's why I decided to do this last minute tutorial for you. Let me know what are your New Year's Eve plans. I would like to know how you're going to spending it. Any New Year's resolutions? None for me. But let me know in the comments below what are the products that you've used before, any special review requests, and I'll be more than happy to bring them for you as always. But before you go, make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you like it, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell notification so that you don't miss out any of my future video. On that note, I'll see you in 2019.